Alright, so right now you should pause this video and read this top part. Read this and take a gander at that. Good. So now that you've read that, you're playing it again. There's a lot of information packed into this little picture. So what we're going to do is go through how to build one of these pictures, because it can tell you a lot about, at a quick glance, you can get a lot of information about a set of data. So you can find the median, and then that would be the middle part here. We call these quartiles, and those are really like medians of this half of numbers. And the median of this upper half of numbers is the upper quartile. Alright, and this breaks our information into 25%, 25%, 25%, and 25%. Alright, so that means that half, 50% of all our data is within this box, or you can think of it as half of your data lies above this and half of your data lies below that. That's why we call them quarters. Alright, so the minimum number is the lower extreme. In this example, it looks like it's about, we'll say it's about an 18. The maximum number is the upper extreme. In this example, it looks like it's 100. Alright, the median is the bar in the middle, and that's a little less than 70. It looks like it'd be about 68. And then the lower quartile is the median of the bottom half. So the lower quartile is halfway between the lower extreme and the median. And it looks like it's about a 51. So in the example above, 50%, this just reiterates what I said. So the top 25% of your data fall above the box and 25% below. In the example, the top 25% fall between about, looks like that's about an 86. So 86 and to 100. And the bottom quarter is about 51 to 18. Alright, so now write this down. Alright, these are your steps. Very easy to solve, or easy to do if you write these steps down. So pause it now and write the steps down. Good, so you've written the steps down. Now we're going to order our numbers from least to greatest. We got 41, next biggest is a 71. There's two of those. And we got 2 72s. We've got a 74. We've got a 75. An 82. And 2 83s. Alright, so now that we have all our number in order, the median is going to be the middle number. So that's first, last, 2, 1, 2. Alright, so we have two middle numbers. So that's going to be a 72 plus 74 divided by 2 gives us a 73. So the average of the two middle numbers, that's our median. So this is so right here, I want to delete that. Oh, shucks. So we got a 73 is our median. That breaks our data in half. So the upper quartile is the median of the top half of numbers. So first, last, it's right here. So that's going to be an 82. Median of the bottom half is half the middle number, which is a 71. The maximum is an 83. And the minimum is a 41. Alright, draw a box and whisker plot. So we're going to want to give ourselves a line here. And I'm going to break it into 40, 50, 60, equal increments, something I can pretty much determine. So I'm going to have to ballpark some of these. So our lowest number, our highest number. Lowest number is a 41, it's about there. Highest number is an 83, which is about here. Our median is a 73, which would be right about here. And 82 is our upper quartile, very close to 83. And a 71 is our lower quartile. So we've got a box here. There's our whisker. There's our other whisker. So we have a very messed up looking cat here if these are whiskers. So there's our box and whisker. All right. These are your U-tries, the next 3 slides. So to either look at them and ascertain some certain amount of information, okay, or to actually make one of your own. So there's one box and whisker plot here. So let's do this one real quick. The heights of the 20 players on a school soccer team are recorded in a box and whisker plot. So there's 20 players. Based on the information given above, which of the statements is true? The mean height, blah, blah, you don't know anything about the mean, so it can't be that. The shortest player is 67. Well, that's wrong because the shortest player is 66 inches. Half the players' heights are between 67 and 72. From 67 to 72, this is 25%. This is 25%. So that adds up to 50% of all the people. This is true. The range of heights on the team is 5 inches. That is not true because 75 is our biggest, 66 is our smallest, so 75 minus 66 is 9 inches. So that's not correct either. Here we go. Alright, so you got now just this one and this one to do. Alright, see you tomorrow.